Family business stakeholders. Key questions for growth and sustainability. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the most critical questions that every family business stakeholder should reflect on. These questions cover critical areas like structure, inclusion, strategy, succession planning, relationships, communication, and future management. The purpose is not just to ask, but to provoke meaningful discussion among family members, leaders, and advisors. Each question is designed to highlight opportunities, uncover risks, and prepare your business for long-term sustainability. Think of this session as a mirror, helping you see where you are strong and where you may need to improve. 1. Family business structure and inclusion. Is your business one in which family members are involved? E.g., are family members stakeholders in your business, or do you plan to include them? Who are the members involved in the family business? E.g., parents, siblings, spouses, children, etc. What roles and responsibilities do each family member have in the business? E.g., what duties are they performing, and what is each person's role? How do family members interact with non-family employees in the business? E.g., is there fair treatment of non-family employees? What is the state of gender equality in the family business? E.g., are equal opportunities provided to both men and women? 2. Business strategy and succession planning. Do you plan to transform your business into a family business to be passed down through generations? E.g., is your plan to pass the business on to future generations? Are you aware of the factors that ensure the success and sustainability of a family business? E.g., do you know what factors are essential for the success of a family business? Are you aware of the strengths and weaknesses of family businesses? E.g., have you considered what the advantages and disadvantages of a family business are? Have you conducted a valuation of your business? E.g., have you assessed the financial worth of your business? Have you decided succession and documented it? E.g., have you planned the succession process and put it into a written form? How is succession planning conducted in the business? E.g., what is the process for passing the business on to the next generation? Have you settled ownership and succession issues with your business partners? E.g., have you resolved ownership and succession matters with your business partners? Are the personal business interests of family members involved in the business protected? E.g., are family members allowed to engage in other business interests? Have you attempted to provide justice and fairness by adhering to current practices? E.g., have you ensured justice in business matters by following current laws and practices? How are financial rights and shares determined for non-active family members in the business? E.g., how are the shares of those who are not directly involved in the business determined? 3. Family relationships and communication. What is the state of relationships among family members? E.g., are there any disagreements among family members? If so, how are they resolved? What is the decision-making process among family members? E.g., do all members make decisions collectively, or is one person given authority? Are financial matters transparent among the family members involved in the business? E.g., how are profits and expenses divided? What is the process for training and including new family members in the business? E.g., is there a training program for new members? How is communication among family members involved in the business? E.g., do family members communicate openly and transparently? Are family members involved in the business aware of the principles of Sharia? E.g., are business decisions made according to Islamic principles? 4. Conflicts and conflict resolution. How are conflicts resolved within the family business? E.g., is there a formal process for resolving disputes? What is the mediation process in case of disputes among family members? E.g., how are conflicts resolved if they arise? 5. Business management and future planning. Have you secured your files, records, and passwords in a safe place? E.g., have you kept important documents and passwords in a secure place for easy access when needed? Have you ever thought about what needs to be done with your business affairs if tonight is your last night? E.g., have you arranged your business affairs so that solutions are available if a sudden problem arises? Have you protected the rights of weaker heirs and daughters concerning the valuation and ownership of your business? E.g., have you ensured the protection of daughters and weaker heirs in terms of business ownership? Have you attempted to provide justice and fairness by adhering to current practices? E.g., have you ensured justice in business matters by following current laws and practices? Next steps for your family business journey. Thank you for walking through these critical questions with us today. Remember, a strong family business is built not only on profits but also on values, relationships, and clear governance. Asking the right questions is the first step toward finding the right answers. I encourage you to take these questions back to your family boardroom or kitchen table, wherever important decisions are made. Use them as a guide for open dialogue and structured planning. Finally, for deeper insights and tools, you can explore my book, Family Business Assessment Questionnaire, available on Amazon, Payhip, and Gumroad. Let's continue building businesses that last for generations, serve communities, and honor family legacies.